Good morning, everyone. It's Julie with Obesity Is Not Me. We are here at John Pennekamp State Coral Reef State Park. Yay! And it's wonderful. I brought all the food to make for pretty much most of the time. We're only going to go out a couple times this week. I just wanted to check in and let you know we're here. I did not bring my scale. We will be going back up on Wednesday to a doctor's appointment, and I'm just gonna weigh in up there. So it's gonna be a fun packed week. Definitely looking forward to some R&R, some water sports, and fun things like that. So I just wanted to check in and let you know Ruby's here and just give you a quick view of my trailer, even though there's stuff still unpacking. So I do have a full kitchen, so it's not like I'm deprived of my kitchen. There you go. My refrigerator, the panel keeps falling off. So there are always fun things that happen in the RV. And there you go. So yeah, so be here all week and be checking in. Talk to you later. Bye.